Hello, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're unboxing the MX Master 3 for Mac. It also works with the iPad. They call it the Master Series by Logitech. So here's some details on the back of the box. You can pause this video anytime and take a look at these details. But it works for Mac and the iPad with the new iPadOS. So that's cool. Has a side-scrolling piece right there, wheel. Go inside the box. Here is the actual mouse in the box. We'll take it out for just a second here. We'll show you what else is inside the box. So you get a charging cable right here. It's a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, so that's nice. So here's the mouse itself. Here's that side-scrolling wheel that I mentioned earlier. It's very smooth. 2 buttons right here. I like the design where you would rest your thumb. So the thumb placement is perfect for the buttons right there and for the side-scrolling wheel. Then you have the top buttons right here. Has satisfying clicking sounds and the feeling as well. And here's another scroll wheel. This doesn't scroll as easily as the side wheel. This gives you more of an incremental scrolling. So if you need to fine-tune what you're scrolling for, this offers that functionality. And there's a button right in the middle. And then going on the bottom, it shows some details on how to turn it on and what to do. So we'll peel that off for a second. There you go. There's the on-off switch. And then you can use this button to switch between your 3 different devices. So compare between 3 different devices at any given time. And then you have the charging port, which is on the very top. And that is a USB Type-C cable. We like that they don't use proprietary cables or connectors for their mice, and that you can really use it on almost any Mac device with the newest operating systems, of course, as well as the iPad with iPadOS. This is the MX Master 3 for Mac and iPad.